Now then, mate, welcome back. This is Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and today we're gonna show you how to make the Black Russian. I know you know how to like, and I know you know how to subscribe, so just sort it out, mate. Sort it out, all right? First of all, guys, don't put no Coke in your Black Russian. It's a straight up alcohol drink. Stop making it long, it's short. The first thing you wanna do is take the bad boy himself, Mr. Absolut Vodka, the original. This drink calls for equal parts, so I'm gonna be making 2 drinks. We wanna double up. We want to put in a nice 30 mils of our Absolut Vodka. Now the Black Russian is from 1914. 1949, mate. Getting it all wrong there. And some guy called Gustav from a hotel in Belgium apparently is accredited to it. And this is 30 mils of Kahlúa coffee liqueur going in. Equal parts. Then we just want to add our ice. Super simple. Give it a little stir if you need to make sure everything's mixed together. Then want to take some fresh cherries and just pop your cherry in. And there we go. The original Black Russian. I'm gonna get involved with this now, guys, because it's a beautiful one. Yo. First of all, Kahlúa is one of the best coffee liqueurs out there. Super coffee, super chocolatey. That's enhanced by your Absolut Vodka. Plus you get to eat cherries afterwards. Perfect after dinner drink. It's a beauty.